Hey guys, I know it's been a while and I want to sincerely apologize for going MIA. I'm not sure I actually thought anybody would notice, but for those of you that did and you reached out, I really appreciate the concern. I want to let you guys know I am fine, the boat is fine, the dog is fine. We just had a little setback in July that really was very discouraging and heartbreaking. There's no other way to put it, and this is going to sound really negative, but there's no good spin to put on this. Basically, as you know, I bought this boat based on an insurance policy that was given to me prior to closing, and it said that if I did 50 hours with the captain that I could be the named operator, and then I could run with crew. And so I did that. I got the 50 hours, I got the proficiency letter from the captain, and I submitted it to the insurance company. And after several weeks of runaround and word games, they came back and said, we're not going to change the wording. We should never have written your policy the way it was written to begin with. And so I have been watching all my dreams crumble and die, because without insurance I can't continue on the journey the way I planned, and I can't afford a captain full time, which means I will never get off the dock. I won't get to go do what I want to do. And this is about the 7th or 8th time I've tried to make a video about this, and I just start bawling my head off, and this time I'm not totally losing it, so I might actually be able to post this video. Anyways, I've just been really depressed and trying to figure out what my next move is. Obviously looking for new agents, a new insurance plan, which I have not come up with anything yet. Backup plan is sell the boat, which I don't really want to do, or put it into charter, which I don't really want to do. So if you guys have suggestions, I'm open to it. In the meantime, I am trying to pick back up on the editing, and I'm sorry about that too. It just watching the videos and looking at all the hard work that I've done, it just made me really sad, and I couldn't do it. I have not done anything on the boat since middle of July. I washed it, that's it. But I am feeling a little better, and I am starting to work on the boat again. In fact, we started on the non-skid this week, and I heard from Renee, and he is coming back in September to help me finish some of the projects that he and I started. So I am feeling better and wanting to at least pick back up on the work on the boat. That's about it, guys. Thank you so much to everybody that reached out and checked up on me. And honestly, I didn't think anybody would notice, really and truly. And I did kind of sort of lose all track of time. I didn't realize I've been off the air this long, and for that I apologize. July really kind of kicked my fanny, and I'm still licking my wounds a little bit, but now I'm starting to pull it together and try to come up with a new plan or a way to continue on with my existing plans. And I will keep you posted, and I promise I won't disappear this time. And hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.